Equips is really fortunate that some of our friends have agreed to join us, eminent personalities from the industry in Pune, for this conversation today. We have ace cinematographer Abhijit Abde, we have Amit Patwardhan from IME, we have Amit Abhyankar from Outreach Media, we have Anish Jog from Pratisad, then we have Ranjit, who is a restaurateur and a producer. We have Sanjay Davra, who is a producer and a production expert. We also have Mr. Upendra, who is a script writer. Now, we are facing unprecedented hardships in all walks of life, including our own shooting has come to a standstill. Now, given this new scenario, how do we proceed and how do we go from here is a big question that is on everyone's mind. So, we hope that very soon, if not as usual, shooting will start in some way or form. I personally feel that the shootings will be more localized, smaller crews, and so I feel now that script writers, technicians, and technology will play a great part in coming to terms with the new reality. And let's hear the views of what everybody else thinks on this panel.
Yesterday I shot out one क्या बोलते हैं उसको फरमान that artists cannot shoot in larger rooms because the dynamics of the room is getting into the audio and the audio is sounding hollow. The only solution to that is like shooting in kitchens,
or
shooting
smaller rooms.
correct or smaller rooms, having curtains or having carpets underneath it. So yes, writers are going to be constrained like crazy.
But this is not sustainable.
Well,
We
I'm
have
not
to
saying
understand.
like
No, generally, what we are doing, what IME is doing is brilliant. But I'm
Exactly.
saying,
Current times,
but
it's
I'm
brilliant. I
saying
mean,
it is absolutely game changing. But and kudos to them. But this model that we are saying, that we are asking the writers to, you know, keep it to one location or whatever, is not sustainable because people are not going to come out and see it, right? I mean, we are finally making all of this for the people to come and watch.
yeah, I think
So
right
if
now what they've done is
this is not
brilliant.
sustainable. We are going to have
Yeah.
to figure out a way to shoot or then wait and just wait it out and shoot whenever it is. Shoot normally, that I'm saying. Otherwise, you have to just wait it out and shoot whenever it is
See, normal
possible
shoot
for
is
us.
going to resume some point of time, right? After nahi, it is
Exactly.
going to start. So the larger picture is normal shoot, as in web series or so, TV series or so. You know, like I was thinking in the morning about Ranja, what you and Anish did with Varun. You know, the series with Umesh and Priya. You know,
Correct.
the subject was such, you know, that's the kind of stuff, you know, which might be in demand. Like, you know, आपल्याकडे particularly एक ट्रेंड झाली का अरे चला हे ह्या बजेट मध्ये होतंय, so let's start doing it. ते खूप होणार आहे. मग तेच सगळे करायला
ते
लागले
होणार आहे पण ते सस्टेनेबल नाही.
नाहीये एक्झॅक्टली. पण त्याला
sustainable is only for the near future, no? For the next 6 to 8 months. It's not like for the.
But for any writer to write it, then for it to get approved or for us to raise money, whatever one of the two, then go ahead and shoot it and then wait for it to come out. This 6 to 8 months period is too short for all of
too
this,
short
all
for
of
it
these
to, yeah,
activities anyways to complete, right? So
yeah.
I'm saying, see, one-off stories or few stories, let's say, can be executed in such manner. But this is not a solution to the problem. This cannot be a solution to the problem because this
रंजा
goes.
कैसे
नहीं हो गया नहीं
Sorry.
नहीं आने से हो गया बोल बोल
So this can't be a solution to the problem. I'm saying this is also linked to, as if we talk about films, this is also linked to the business, right? Finally,
yeah.
in any case, nothing is working. And on top of that, if we are going to shrink down the writer's mind or whatever, it's not sustainable. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's totally unjust, but Anish, that's going to happen. I mean, somebody who has the patience has to stay. You know, somebody who can hold has to hold a
Correct.
little more longer till, you know, we start to resume. Of course, see, like I was telling Kaushal Ranjit the other day, Ranja आपण बोललो याच्यावरती की anyway, I'm talking about Marathi specifically. Amit would agree, Abhyankar, Patwardhan, सगळेच लोक आपण की we go with utmost planning all the projects. सो प्लानिंग कमीज करू किंवा गरज जो जरूरत नहीं है वो नहीं करना है, ये करके अपन वैसे भी कंट्रोल बजट में ही करते हैं. ऑल्सो कीपिंग इन माइंड, आई डोंट थिंक वी हैव आई एज अ डीओपी, यू एज अ प्रोड्युसर, एज अ ईपी हैव आस्क्ड द रायटर की ये मत कर यार, एक खर्च ज्यादा हो रहा है. खूप कमीदा असं होतं. सो ते आपण करतोच. वी ऑलवेज कीप वर्किंग इन दॅट काइंड ऑफ पॅरामीटर्स. सो त्याच्या थोडं कमी प्रॉब्ली इट्स अ बजेट ऑफ 2 crores, वी नो दॅट 2 आपल्याला मिळणार नाही आहेत करंट टाइम मध्ये प्रोड्युसर कडनं, बेसिकली कोरोनामुळेच, कोविडमुळेच. सो तो म्हणेल की नाही यार मेरे पास भी 1.3 है, 1.3 में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, हेच विचार करणं इज द ऑप्शन. काय कमी करायचं, काय मारायचं, हे नाही होऊ शकत, माझं म्हणणं आहे. सो अमित,
मी
Ad films which are being made for 1 crore in Bombay, then digital films came in. So digital films reduced the budget. Now people are making quarantine films. So now again the clients are now used to getting even lower budgets than digital films. So the clients are also going to start expecting lower budgets now.
डेफिनेटली,
Yeah.
डेफिनेटली.
आय अग्री की अब्दे नंतर संजय तू सुद्धा रणजित तू सुद्धा यू आर इन टू द मेजर फिल्म मेकिंग झोन. हां, पण बाकीचे फॉर एक्झाम्पल अनिश अँड मी वी आर वरीड अबाउट ब्रेड अँड बटर. सो इज कौशल. नाउ फॉर अस फिल्म्स आर नॉट ब्रेड अँड बटर. फॉर अस ॲड
True.
फिल्म्स आर, फॉर अस कॉर्पोरेट फिल्म्स आर, प्रोडक्ट फिल्म्स आर. सो दीज फिल्म्स ऑल्सो हैव अ मार्केट एंड वी नीड टू हंट द राइट पीपल जिनकी चलती अभी चालू है.
पण अमित,
स्टॉप गॅप
तिकडे पण फरक पडेलच ना, माझं म्हणणं आहे.
पडलाय ना, ऑलरेडी पडलेला आहे.
फरक पडला.
सी नॉट जस्ट प्रॉडक्ट्स बट FMCG इज ऑल्सो हिट. पीपल आर नॉट जस्ट बाईंग एनिथिंग. प्लास्टिकचे आयटम सुद्धा नेतात, आणखीन चीनी माल मतलो टाईप प्रोपगंडा सुरू आहे, तेव्हा ते सुद्धा नाहीये.
Even other companies, Karwai and Pune are making dosas. Their business has gone up tenfold.
हम्म.
And we are doing now, we've got inquiries for at least 4 to 5 safety films. How to, when workers are coming back, how do you
Correct.
make just the safety films and the public service films and all those. So what Anish is saying is also true, and but we have to find a way out to make other content which is viable in this present scenario.
आपण कुरू साईज वर बोलत होतो, याला अनिश, संजय, अब्दे हे सगळे ऍग्री होतील. पण आत्ताही आमच्या सेटवर जवळजवळ 10 ते 15% लोक हे एक्स्ट्रा असतात. म्हणजे एक डिमांड असते, प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये 1-1, 2-2 लोक एक्स्ट्रा असतात. ह्यांची खरंच गरज आहे का? आज 3 ते 4 कुणीतरी जस्ट पासिंग हवंय, तर डिरेक्शन डिपार्टमेंटकडून सहज एक ऑर्डर येते की आपल्याला 5 ज्युनियर आर्टिस्ट हवेत. पण ते मी नेहमी सांगत असतो की हे पैसे वाचवण्यासाठी नाहीये. एक्स्ट्रा लोकांची गरज काय? 5 लोक क्रू मधले कुणीही पास होऊ शकतात, आणि असे अनेक मोठे फिल्म मेकर्स आपल्या क्रूला वापरून करतात. तर असं आपल्याकडे होत नाही. एक एक्स्ट्रा एडी असतो, इंटर्न 2-2 असतात. ह्यांची खरंच गरज आहे का? मेकिंग वेगळा, फोटो शूट करणारा वेगळा, फोटोग्राफ काढणारा, त्यांचा किती उपयोग होतो? मग ते आपण कंबाईन करू शकतो का? तर असं जर केलं, जिथे 12-15 लोकांची साईज आहे एका डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये, तिथे 2-2 लोक आपण आरामात कमी करू शकतो. सगळ्यांना गाड्या देण्याची गरज आहे का? आपापलं कोणीतरी येऊ शकत असेल तर येऊ शकतं. मग ही लक्झरी कमी केली पाहिजे.
ते एक्झॅक्टली, म्हणजे रणजित तू म्हणतोस ना, ते बोलायला लाईक आय वॉज पुटिंग द पॉइंट की तू, मी, संजय, उपे आहे, आपण सगळ्यांना इतके मित्र आहोत, अमित, एनीबडी, अभ्यंकर म्हण, सगळे इकडे, की आपण बोललो की आपण मॅनेज करतो. देर आर सम पीपल, आय डोंट नेम, त्यांना वेळ लागतो कन्व्हिन्स करायला की नाही हे पाहिजेच. सो दिस हॅज टू बी स्लोली गॉट इन टू प्रॅक्टिस की let's plan, let's be a support to each other. Yes, we understand your seniority, your egos and your work style, or your kind of expertise, but सगळ्यांनी हे सगळं एक्सेप्ट करून प्लॅन करणंच गरजेचं आहे. आय अंडरस्टँड दॅट टोटली.
पण आता ऑप्शनच राहणार नाही असं मला वाटतंय. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द मनी टू मेक फिल्म्स. यू हॅव टू अंडरस्टँड दॅट. People are there is a problem for most of the people to just sustain their own lives.
हा, पण आय थिंक अनिश, हे आपण करू शकतो आणि आपण एक करूया, हे तरी आपण वी शुड की सस्टेन होईल की नाही हा पुढचा मुद्दा आहे. तो लेट्स एटलीस्ट वी शुड स्टार्ट.
मला असं वाटतं, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि 2 चीजें हैं. वन इज द इमीडिएट फ्यूचर वी हैव, वन इज द न्यू नॉर्मल, which is the subject of today's discussion. I think इमीडिएट फ्यूचर में क्या करना चाहिए, इसके बारे में कुछ सोचना चाहिए सबने, चाहे वो डायरेक्टर हो, राइटर हो। अमित ने जैसे कहा कि मेरे पास एक नई अपॉर्चुनिटी आई है, और जो एक नॉर्मल फ्यूचर है जो अभी हम लोग काम करते हैं, उस तरीके से काम करने के लिए हम लोग क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। आई जस्ट टेल यू द फिगर, सबको पता है फिर भी। ओनली इन महाराष्ट्र वी आर डूइंग मोर देन 125 shoots every day. Most of them are in Mumbai, more than 105, 110, and 15 to 20 shoots are happening every day in Mumbai. Crew size, जैसे अभी रंजीत ने कहा, जो नॉर्मल क्रू साइज है वो 80 से 125 का बेसिक क्रू है। जूनियर आर्टिस्ट एंड सप्लायर्स, वेंडर्स आर डिफरेंट। सो इमीडिएट फ्यूचर में ये तो पॉसिबल नहीं है। इमीडिएट फ्यूचर में हमको क्रू साइज कम करना पड़ेगा, उसके जो गाइडलाइंस है, नोटिफिकेशन है, वो फॉलो करने पड़ेंगे। अनीश ने वो पहले ही बोल दिया क्या करना चाहिए, क्या नहीं करना चाहिए। सेकेंड थिंग इज वेदर पीपल वांट्स टू वॉच दिस, लोगों की मेंटालिटी है वो भी सोचना पड़ेगा। The whole idea, the whole scenario is totally depend mainly the films जो लोग देखने आते हैं, which is not the immediate future. Whether theaters will open, whether exhibitors will open, whether government will allow, entertainment will be the last priority for government also, for the normal viewer also. जिसके पॉकेट में से पैसा आ रहा है उसकी अगर खर्च करने की अभी पोजीशन ही नहीं है, सिचुएशन ही नहीं है, तो उसका डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट जो है वो फिल्म्स पे तो जरूर पड़ेगा। टीवी इज फ्री, टीवी पे जो देखेगा वो इंसान देखता है, पर जो फिल्म्स का मार्केट है या फिल्म्स का जो इमीडिएट फ्यूचर है, उसके लिए मुझे लगता है पेशेंस की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है। मुझे लगता है कि दो चीजें करनी चाहिए। जो इमीडिएट हमारे पास प्रोजेक्ट है वो खत्म करने के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए, उसके बारे में हमको सोचना चाहिए। और उसका जो मार्केट है ये अभी जज करना बहुत मुश्किल है। मैं काफी सारे लोगों से पिछले कई दिनों में मेरे फिल्म के बारे में बात कर चुका हूँ, इंक्लूडिंग हिंदी इंडस्ट्री, मराठी इंडस्ट्री, तो उनको भी पता नहीं है कि अभी क्या होगा। अभी एंटायर इंडस्ट्री इज ऑन पॉज मोड, और ये प्ले मोड पे इमीडिएट नहीं जाएगी। जैसे लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाएगा, जो नौकरी करने वाला बंदा है वो नौकरी पे जाएगा, गाइडलाइन फॉलो करेगा, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस फॉलो करेगा, प्रिकॉशंस लेगा। इंडस्ट्री का ऐसा नहीं होगा। इंडस्ट्री पहले जज करेगी पैसा कहाँ से, जैसे अनीश ने बोला पैसा कहाँ से आएगा पता नहीं, अमित पटवर्धन ने बोला मुझे पता नहीं जितना बजट मुझे पहले मिलता था बाद में मिलेगा कि नहीं मिलेगा। तो मुझे लगता है कि वन इज इमीडिएट फ्यूचर, जो ये गाइडलाइंस है, नोटिफिकेशन है, क्रू साइज कम करना है, बाकी प्रिकॉशंस लेने हैं, जो प्रोजेक्ट बचे हुए वो खत्म करने हैं। एंड द न्यू नॉर्मल फ्यूचर इज, आई डोंट सी इट इज हैपनिंग बिफोर दिवाली। मुझे लगता है कम से कम 6 महीने हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए, और जो इवेंट और फिल्म वाले उनके लिए कम से कम 9 से 12 महीने इसका इफेक्ट होगा। दिस इज वर्ल्ड वाइड। एक और पॉइंट मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, जो हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, जो डेली वेजेस पे काम करते हैं, चाहे वो लाइट बॉय हो, मेरा प्रोडक्शन बॉय हो, आर्ट बॉय हो, या हर डिपार्टमेंट के असिस्टेंट्स हो, फर्स्ट असिस्टेंट्स हो, सेकंड असिस्टेंट्स हो, उनका जो सस्टेन करने का जो टाइम है वो ऑलरेडी खत्म हो चुका है। तो मुझे लगता है कि एज अ ग्रुप, एज अ यूनिट, मुझे लगता है उनको भी हमें ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, उनके लिए भी कुछ करना पड़ेगा। आगे ये बात आएगी, पर I see one is immediate future, one is new normal future, which is happening after Diwali.
So I definitely agree with what Sanjay is saying, that yes, it is going to be some time before before there's actually any kind of start. But even in the distant future, what I see is there is definitely an opportunity to rethink of the way we were doing things. So like Ranjit pointed out, that can we really think on reducing unit sizes? Can we really think of doing it in a smarter way than we were doing previously? So I think there's definitely an opportunity, and I think also Kaushal comes into play here, that what kind of equipment and what kind of handling is he offering us. So we have been using labor intensive equipment for a long time, but there is far smarter things that have come into that foray now. So I'm saying that if we are looking at downsizing the crew size, downsizing the crew, then probably we should also be looking at what kind of newer modern equipment is being made available, because even in terms of lights and things, I believe now, Kaushal, you have introduced some new lights and things which can be handled by far lesser number of people than what
Yeah,
we
we have some
usually
lights
ideally.
with lenses, so
Uh,
focus and multifocal lights and LED lights.
yeah, but are they going to reduce the manpower, or are they going to take the same number of people to
They
add?
will reduce the volume. So I think they will reduce the manpower. But coming to what Sanjay also said is it's like a very critical thing that we have to think right now is about how the survival of I'm very worried about a lot of technicians also. Not only daily wage workers, but even technicians, people who cover weddings and events and they're going to be in a really bad state. And what has made it even doubly worse for all these people is that because of easy credit, most of them have taken equipment. They have bought equipment on loans. So I don't know. So how,
Coming to the point, which Ranjit is also mentioning, so is Sanjay. Anish ने पहले बोल दिया about sustainability and what should be done. Amit Patwardhan said, how he spoke to everybody, Moti room nako, and all technical stuff. So I think right from writing stuff, we are involved. Most of us are involved from day one. After the script is done, right? If I'm not wrong, correct me if I'm wrong. But Upaya, I think the time has come. The writer should be in sync with the EP, the producer, most of the HODs from day one, so that he can write a film accordingly, and the other crew members can actually what light would you need for this kind of writing. So if he can actually get that done, he can go ahead with the writing. हे करायला लागेल माझं म्हणणं आहे. हे पण प्लॅन जर आपण रायटिंग लेवललाच केलं, if the first draft is discussed with all these people who are a big part in planning, the producer, the EP, the DP, the director, I think the cost comes in pictures. I'm not saying art director.
But I guess this is very, it's a given, right? We have to think about these things in any way, whether there is corona or there is not.
Correct.
I hope that these things will be considered from the producers, from the writers, from the directors, from the day one. कि ये सब चीजें सोच के ही हम लिखेंगे, प्री-प्रोडक्शन में जाएंगे और फिर
Right.
मला हा
रंजा बोल ना.
हा म्हणजे या बाबतीत परत तेच आहे की आपल्याला तर हा कम्फर्ट झोन सोडावा लागेल. अनेक वेळा
एक्झॅक्टली
म्हणजे ते VFX मग नंतर काय होणार माहित नाही. ते आता आपल्या डोळ्यासमोर झालेलं बरं, 2 पैसे 1 दिवस जास्त लागला चालेल. आता हा कम्फर्ट झोन सोडायची वेळ आली आहे. जसं म्हणालो की आपल्याला क्रू साईज कमी करावं लागेल, तसंच हे पण आहे. तर हा कम्फर्ट सोडून हे नवीन टेक्नॉलॉजी ऍक्सेप्ट करावंच लागतील.
वापरावं लागतील. या इट्स
Ranjit, तुम्ही जे सांगतात ना, we are going to launch something in December, but अभी it's been delayed. We are launching virtual sets and robotic cameras in December.
अरे वा.
So,
Okay.
So we are working with a friend of mine in the US who used to work with Pixar and PBI. So, and with another studio called Green Drain Productions, and we've been trying to do it, but it's working out a little expensive right now for making a virtual set. But I think it will all be sorted out by next March or April. We should have virtual sets, so you can actually see what is your, as a director, as a cameraman, you will actually see what is going to be shown on the screen, because there will be sensors and there will be maps on the wall, on the camera. So you'll have a monitor which will show you actually what it will look like.
But again, cost is the big question, right? I mean,
cost is a very big question right now,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
like in India, even the Hindi films cannot afford it right now.
Yeah, that won't come easy. That's
So
the whole point.
even, regional films. But I think as all new technologies, costs will go down, and given this new thing, it will. So it's a future technology that we can talk about at a later date.
But then now is the time to invest in those scripts. Because I guess everything else is just shut down. The only work can go is writing. So I guess we have always been not paying enough attention and not devoting enough time to writing. And I guess this is the time. So you pay writers, and ask them to write a script for you and then work more and more again on the script. Normally कैसा होता है कि अरे कल से शूट है, अगले हफ्ते से शूट है, फटाक से ड्राफ्ट में. You can't do that like that. So this is the time to work. Let's work on scripts.
Yeah. I mean, this, like Ranjit said, no, because of COVID, this scenario, we can do things that we should have done long time back. Like planning. Most of films we realize we end up overshooting even now. Sanjay will agree. Yeah, Sanjay will agree to it. So why not script level pe discuss karke? That's the point I had put some time back. Why not stop overshooting? Overshooting is also a problem, right? I mean, so that can be curtailed right here, which is also a call of the hour, along with the crew size being lesser and stuff. And also
To some extent, yes, but you can't really eliminate overshooting. You can't do that. It's not possible.
It's very individual, right? I'm saying. Not there are some directors who would exactly.
Because the editor, what the editor brings to the table is anyways going to come in later. So,
exactly. But I'm saying, if possible, if planning happens, that there's one of the options that we can look into. Is what I'm saying. Start tuning yourself की 8 महिन्यांनी जेव्हा नॉर्मल गोष्टी होतील तेव्हा काय केलं पाहिजे आपण. नॉर्मल तर होणार न्यू नॉर्मल काय असेल हे माहित नाही आपल्याला. जे होतं नॉर्मल ते असणार आहे का, होऊ शकतं हे माहित नाही आपल्याला.
How many people can afford to sit till December, January? That is my question. There are not people who can afford to sit at home without work till December, January. There are like, even as we speak, I know there are so many technicians who are in so much of crisis and so much of stress. So something has to be done. Some work has to start at any level. I'm saying do smaller projects also. It's fine. Like Ranjit, Sanjay, Anish, they're all used to doing much bigger projects. Amit and both the Amits have been doing big corporate films and TV and stuff like that. But I think we all have to start looking at smaller projects. I think we have to.
Yeah, that is what you need to just keep your eyes open right now.
Yeah. No, and I think
future, so
we all need to kit up, stay together, stick together. It'll happen, I guess.
Yeah, smaller projects, whatever opportunities we get, we'll have to do. Obviously, for us to sustain, and for all the
others,
people that are depending on us to sustain, we'll have to make that happen. But this is for the time being, right?
Yeah, definitely sure. Yeah, I mean, like,
so yeah, we can't expect this to be the normal. That is all I'm saying. But right now, whatever we can, we obviously have to do.
Film being made for films for a theatrical presentation, would they be coming on OTT? Would OTT have a lot of films getting pulled in to the extent of being a headache? Is one thing. I'm saying the corporate that we did, the informative videos that we did, editorial videos we did. त्याचा काय scene आहे म्हणजे what do you see?
All the industries are being hit. Everything is being hit. I'm saying the first budget that gets hit is advertising and promotions. Unfortunately. Unfortunately, it should not be the case, but it is true. So all the films, the corporate films, the TV commercials,
editorials, whatever,
editorials are basically sales driven, to some extent branding driven. So those get affected
immediately.
Immediately.
So I would say the sales-driven products will continue. I would say sales-driven products will continue. Branding will take a hit.
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि we should not rely on government or any institution or any महामंडल या board, क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि गवर्नमेंट के पास हमसे बड़े प्रॉब्लम है. They have to take care of मतलब जान माल, हेल्थ,
सब कुछ
सब कुछ. उसके बाद एंटरटेनमेंट और लोगों की एंटरटेनमेंट की जो जरूरत है.
Correct. Reliance on government is purely for permissions to go ahead and start the activity. Right now, there is a directive to stop the activity. That is why the government relies.
Exactly. I mean,
no one is expecting anything from the government.
How do we get permissions? And what is allowed and what is not allowed? That clarity is absolutely necessary.
Anyway.
Good.
Anyway, ठीक है. Good. It was.
Good.
Yep.
Upaya, bye. Upaya.
Bye. Thank you. Bye.
See you, Ranja.
See you
Bye bye.
guys.
Amit
Bye.
Abhyankar, Amit Patwardhan. Bye bye.
Yes.
Take care. Yep.
Bye, everyone.